I'm going to show you the jobs that a stay-at-home mother can actually do. And not only a stay-at-home mother, even if you are a man and you're looking for the jobs and you know you can do something online, you can, you have that skill, or you don't have the skill, but there are some jobs that you can do at the comfort of your home. I'm going to take you through this AI platform that you can actually apply jobs and get. And remember, guys, this is not a guarantee that when you apply for these jobs, you're going to get them. No. First thing, you must ask yourself, do you have a skill? And if you don't have a skill, can you really do an online job? Because the some other jobs are for unskilled, yeah, but can you do it? That is the first question. So these are the beginners friendly jobs, online jobs for stay-at-home moms, and not only stay-at-home moms, not only moms, but they are for everyone. So these 6 roles are stay-at-home mom jobs with no experience required. The only thing that is required is a laptop, internet, and willingness to learn AI tools are often all you need. So all you need is a laptop, a phone, and the stable network, and willingness. That is what I have said. Can you do it? Can you really do it? Can you stay on your laptop or on your phone for 2 to 3 hours working online without disturbance? So that is what is here. So best for full schedule control, low startup cost, hours, you need 10 to 20 hours, scalable to 40. Pay range, this is the pay range. Yeah. So pay range is $15 to $32 per hour. Guys, it is not guaranteed until or unless you are willing, to do the job. Because I have told you that can you stay on your phone for 10 to 20 hours? So we have a consistent income with set shift, 20 to 40 hours set shift blocks. They pay $13 to $30 per hour. So extreme, flexible, even 15 minutes block. 5 to 30 hours, any schedule, 10 to $18 freelance, and whatever that you see there. And also strong listeners, fast typist. Strong listeners and fast typist. I know there are so many people who are good in typing and they can do it very well. 5 to 30 hours, any schedule. You see, this is $4 to $25 per hour. Medical, $18 hour median. And you see, we have subject expertise, highest beginners rate, 5 to $20 hours after school peak. So this one you can do it after you have picked your kids to school from school, $15 to $75 per hour. And also AI online tutor, homework helper. Like if you're a teacher, and you can help with homework online. Subject expertise, highest beginners rate, 5 to 20 hours after school peak. So we have AI community moderator, comfortable with online culture, 10 to 20 hours flexible blocks, 15 to 44 hours dollars. AI appointment setter, virtual receptionist, comfortable on the phone, quiet home, 10 to 25 hours. Set shift blocks. You have shifts, 15 to 25 per hour with commission up to that amount that you see there. So a virtual assistant handles the operational backbone of a business: inbox management, scheduling, research, social media, and light bookkeeping. Skills required: Before we continue, guys, this AI platform is called Cursive AI platform. So Google Workspace, calendar management, email trench, and social media basics. Yeah. So daily tasks, manage a client's box with with AI assisted drafting, schedule appointments via Calendly, create social media posts in Canva, organize project boards in Notion or Asana, handle research tasks and light bookkeeping and send follow-ups. Best for moms who want full control over their schedule and low setup cost. You see, the pros: wide task variety prevents boardroom scales from the part-time to full-time easily. So the cons are income can be inconsistent. Overseas competition drives platform rates down. Agencies take significant cuts. So average salary is $15 to $19 per hour. Employed $10 to $25 per hour. Entry level, it is a freelance scaling to $50 to $100+ hour for specialists. Like this one is for specialists, you know. $15 to $19, $10 to $25 for employed and they are freelance. But 50 to 100 an hour, it is for specialists. Average employed salary is this one per year, not per month, guys. So AI customer support specialist, chat, email. In this role, you will work through 50 to 80 tickets a day over chat and email with AI copilots helping you draft and tweak responses, since AI already takes care of 60 to 80% of routine. So you see, so let us check on the skills required. You need solid written communication, empathy, solid written communication, at least 40 WPM typing, and enough product knowledge to help people on the AI side. You'll use tools like Zendesk, AI for auto routine and suggested replies. In Campfin AI as drafting copilot. So daily tasks. Let us see the tasks. Respond to customers' tickets via chat or email using AI Copilot. Escalate complex issues. Update CRM records. Contribute to knowledge base articles and participate in process improvement meetings. So it is best for moms who want a consistent income with set shifts. Many companies offer 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. windows that align with school hours. So let us see the pros. Often includes benefit as established companies. Paid training provided. Chat, email format means no phone calls. You've heard. So the cons are emotionally draining with angry customers, repetitive and metric driven. Some roles require weekend or evening coverage. So these are the things that you have to know, guys. Before you apply for this job, you have to know that when you are on these jobs, you don't like no phone calls, only chat and emails. And the cons is that it is emotionally draining because the customers are repetitive. They can repeat and repeat and repeat. you know some roles require weekend or evening coverage. So average salary is $13 to $15 a hour. Entry level 22 to 30. Experienced average 39 to 60. Yeah. So that is how it is. So this is another job, AI data entry specialist. You can go through it and see, because when I continue, this video is going to be very very long, which I don't want. So the skill required for AI data entry specialist is fast typing 60 plus, sharp eye for detail, so these are the you can check on this also here. So guys, what I could tell you is that these AI jobs, you need to be very patient, because you don't need to be someone, when you hear about a job, you're just thinking about how much they pay. No. The best thing to do is, do you have the skill? Are you willing to do the job? Then do your research about that job. Apply the job. Wait for invitation. Start working. And that is when you will think about the money, because so many people are, they are burning out, because the first thing after hearing about the job, it's the money, it's the payment, which is not good at all. So guys, thank you so much. Just try this. AI is a cursive AI. So try your level best, and you can click on the start, and then you're going to start. Thank you so much.